you got. Show me what you got, show me what you got. Riding down your block with that thing, about to let it go.
We wanted to provide you guys an opportunity to get in front of coaches.
Yeah, this is clearly the biggest event we've been to, not only from a number standpoint, but also from a quality of face-off athletes that are out there.
The coaches are really nice, and a lot of them are pro players. So it's good to learn and ask questions.
He was really excited to come up here because he knew the competition was going to be good and the coaching was going to be just next level.
Phenomenal, lights out. All great guys. They know what they're doing. They're very well-rounded, well-skilled.
It's been pretty great having such high coaching. When we have two of the best pro players with Joe and TD, and then also the other guys who are supporting. It's been a ton of help, especially because you have all kids from aspects of different types of face-offs. You have some kids who kind of throw junk and counters, and other kids who are just straight up clamping. So you kind of get tips from both sides, which is nice to hear.
It's also nice that there's a lot of college coaches here to tell us exactly what they're looking for when they're recruiting. So that way we know not to do the same thing every time and everything that they're looking for, to just provide a variety and bring our best.
All right, so the number one thing that I look for, and I would think a lot of coaches look for, are kids that are adaptable, mentally and physically.
It's really nice to have these guys in person and actually communicate with them face to face. I think that's great for me.
Yeah, I agree. I think my favorite thing is that the coaches are they're calling the face-offs instead of having refs, because they really get face-offs.
Seems like they're very attentive, giving them a lot of advice and a lot of coaching.
And moving around the field so that all kids are seen.
Seems like everyone's getting a little bit of the same attention. It's been great.
Fantastic, all-star coaching staff, incredible. Great experience for him.
Unbelievable, really unbelievable.
It's definitely an amazing opportunity for the boys, so grateful.
No, it's second to none. It's fantastic. So it's elite level coaches, for sure.
Lots of big names.
Really just the best in the country and all over the place. So it's good to see the best people out here and learn from the best, really.